Hello friends, and welcome to Culinary Cookery with Francine. I'm a foodie. When I was 12 and a half, I was obsessed with Italian food. Let me tell you an overly long-winded, self-obsessed story about my love for pestos. Before I get to the point, isn't that why we enjoy internet recipes after all? The pretentious prefaces and winding roads filled with nonsense before the details. Send me a like, Francine the Foodie. Stories. Pesto stories. Pesto changeo. But in all seriousness, pesto changed my life at an early age, and I feel obligated to tell you, strangers. Traditionally, pesto is made from pine nuts, parmesan, and puppy dreams. I had a puppy once, but it turned into a dog. A changeling. Asiago Walnut Pesto. Delicious. Our ingredients. Firstly, rub the walnuts in oil, salt, and pepper. Don't be afraid to get a bit handsy. Be generous and really work those nuts. Then, into the oven. We only want to toast these walnuts lightly to extract as much creamy, decadent, nutty flavor flavs as we need. Over roasting them will cause them to be as bitter as I am. No one wants that. No one wants that, do they? Do we? Decimal system. I remember being a child in math class and learning my numbers. Those numbers would prove to be important, because now, as an adult, I understand measuring cups and coin change. Make sure to wash your hands after dealing with real money, though. Always tip your servers with dimes, nickels, and the like. If they were extremely attentive, perhaps a quarter or two. Perhaps a quarter or two. And never tip your kitchen. Next, we will need to incorporate all of our ingredients slowly in order to emulsify them. But first, garlic! We need some tasty, fresh garlic. Smash it, chop it, pound it, then add it to the chunky bits. Blend. Any kind of blending apparatus works, but I prefer using my cold, strong hands. Doing this the Francine way not only works to incorporate all of the ingredients, but it also helps to exercise one's personal demons. Oh, no. Yes. Whoa! Yeah. Oh my God. No. More. Yes. Clean. Dirty. This reminds me of a time where I spoke with my cousin Richard about being a dick, and I said, hey man, you are what you eat, cuz. That's not cuz like C-U-Z. That's cuz, C-O-U-S, as the short term for cousin. Spelt the same way as coos. couscous, but pronounced differently. Be a foodie is what I suggested to good old Cousin Richard. Be something. You're an artist as a foodie when you take pictures with your phone at dinner with Instagram. We are all artists when we critique. Be a good person and start being productive in the world, Richard. Richard. So there it is, a bit of a spin on your typical pine nut-based pesto. Season with more salt and or pepper to taste. I require a lot of salt due to years of self-inflicted drug and tobacco abuse. Sodium dances across my taste buds and allows me to feel something in life. This is a wonderful recipe for your favorite dishes. Chicken, pasta, sandwiches, bony meat sandwiches with feathered parts. It's Asiago Walnut Pesto, and I'm a foodie. Use it as a shaving cream alternative, and remember to never look someone in the eye when you dine. Instagram!